Hello and welcome to Undet for Revit. In this video we'll learn how to use Undet for Revit to load RCP file inside the Revit, and what can we do using Undet tools in 3D Point Cloud, which is crop, uncrop, hide and show, and RGB. So first of all, let's load the RCP file. So for that we have to open Slice Manager by clicking Add Slice. Then we have this tool called Convert Undet project into RCP project and load 3D Point Cloud file. So when we click it, press yes. Right now it loaded instantly. It sometimes, when it's not pre-made, the RCP file, it can take, then Undet will create that RCP file from Undet project, and it can take sometimes 1 to 2 minutes, or if its project is big, from 10 to 15 minutes. So once it's loaded, we can start to use these tools. So in 3D view right now we can see Point Cloud is already loaded, so we can change the way it looks and by changing these settings. So RGB is source, how it's exactly look like and how it was captured in realistic environment. Then normals, where it change according to planes. Then red, which is only for red, green only for green, blue only for blue, and then black and white only for black and white. So let's keep it on RGB for now. Then we have another tool which is hide and show. So you can hide and show your Point Cloud file, 3D Point Cloud file in Revit just by one click. It's quick. And then we have crop and uncrop. So we can crop this Point Cloud file to the region only which we need and remove unnecessary information. So for that you click on crop. Then you can make any irregular shape. It doesn't have to be a square, rectangle, or a circle. So we start to choose the points to create the polygon, and once the polygon is done, press escape, and as we see, it's already cropped and all the unnecessary information which we needed is removed. And we can uncrop this data again just by clicking uncrop, and it will go back to its original form. And this is how we can use 3D Point Cloud tools of Undet in Revit. And thank you.